Hi there, this is part 2 of the repair of the Toyota Alphard's sills, which were damaged against the wall. So this is now the final result. I've polished down this rear quarter panel over here. Okay, and you can see the shine in it. If you look at the floor, you can see the shine on there. This next passenger panel still got to be polished down. The weather's playing against me. You can see the difference there against the monoblock, and the difference there against the monoblock. So it's not a bad result overall. But the main thing is the paintwork's protected for the winter, and as you can see, I can get the shine on this. It's only a 53% pass, because this can be a lot better if you spent more time getting that clear coat just spot on. There are some errors that I made, but this is a learning curve. As I said, the best thing about doing these jobs yourself is that you don't have to go and look around for quotes, etc. And you can do it several times, scratch your cards, etc. You just go in there. Don't lose sleep over it, just fix it. So you can see the dullness of that. That's going to be polished up using some compound thing. But look at this over here. You see now over there, you see that little white spot there, or the grey spot? That's where I've polished through. Okay, so I need to come back and just polish up the remainder of this door as well using the compound. It takes time, and I'm using a pad on a drill just a standard circular motion on the drill, as opposed to a throw on an orbital throw, a dual orbital throw. But overall, not a bad result. Over here, you can see this is where I could have done a lot better on the fillers, and that little grey line is where I made a mistake by running the edge of the primer to the edge of the base coat, and to the edge of the clear coat. So everything was a mistake down there, but I know how to deal with that next time. Okay, but again, everything is going to be safe. It's going to be free from corrosion, and I can come back to this next year if I want to. By that time, I'll have forgotten about it, and I'll be quite happy, because the result is actually not too bad whatsoever. Those little small bits where I've just gone through, I might try just to restore those little sections, as opposed to doing the whole spray paint job. Why? Because again, it's another skill set which you can apply, and hopefully this will come in useful in the future. And listen, thank you for watching the videos, and do take care.